So you are looking at an Iveco 1214. It's a 1989 model. I think the last time it ran was somewhere late 97, somewhere 98. So it's been years since it's been on the road. I am not a mechanic. I will emphasize that. I am not a mechanic. But living in the information age, I've done a lot of research on Google. After creating a punch list of what I'm going to do to get her back on the road, we'll see if it works. So this will be interesting. Hope you enjoy. So I don't have enough clearance underneath the oil pan to the ground because this thing's been sitting so long, it's kind of eased itself into the ground a tiny bit. I can't jack it up. So the only thing I thought to come up with, we had some of this aluminum roofing material. I'm gonna use it as a gutter, drain onto it and drain it into my collection pan. So it pretty much worked. Only a tiny bit of leakage. Didn't realize I was going to have a piece of wood under it. There was so much flow. So I filled up the coolant, filters, oil filters, fuel filters are done. Gonna fill up the oil next, running out of daylight. So might not happen tonight.